Whether you are looking for a best mini exercise bike to get fitter at home, or the best under-desk cycle you can get for your office, the elderly and people with disabilities can also greatly benefit from these mini bikes. Even kids can get huge benefits from pedal exercisers. There are many products available to choose best pedal exercisers and under-desk bikes, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best pedal exercisers and under-desk bikes from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Drive Medical Deluxe Folding Exercise Pedaler. If you're a beginner pedaler who's looking for an affordable exerciser, you should seriously consider the Drive Medical Deluxe Pedaler. It's also a good balance between mobility and light strength training. The manufacturer kept the cost of this pedaler low by using a simple friction-based resistance system. The main drawback of friction-based pedalers is that they tend to get hot after cycling for a while. Simply waiting a few minutes after working out before touching this pedaler avoids any discomfort. This mini bike does come with a tension knob to increase resistance. However, the range of available intensities is minimal. It will help you gradually improve overall strength, but won't necessarily prepare your muscles for the Tour de France. The Drive Medical Deluxe is best for focusing on mobility, speed and endurance, and not heavy resistance. Number 2. Desk Cycle Under-Desk Bike Pedal Exerciser. The under-desk cycle can give your legs a workout under your desk while you sit back and get things done. Its guts are made of a quiet magnetic flywheel and 7 sealed steel bearings that users say make the machine sturdy and long-lasting. There are 8 resistance settings, and you can pedal both forward and backward. The maximum speed is 30 miles per hour, 48 kilometers per hour. Pedaling at maximum speed on the highest setting will give you 400 watts of resistance. To put that in context, unless you're a super athlete, you probably won't be able to go at the maximum for more than a few minutes. There are also plenty of lower settings for light cardio, endurance training and even rehab. If you are worried that your legs are too long or your desk is too low, you can check the height by stacking books up to a similar level under your desk and making sure your knees still fit without hitting the desk. Number 3. Sunny Health and Fitness Under-Desk Bike Pedal Exerciser. The Sunny Health and Fitness SFB0418 is a hefty piece of home gym equipment. It is a durable workhorse that is sure to provide you with an exhausting workout. The Sunny Health and Fitness Magnetic Mini Exercise Bike is aimed more at people who are looking for an intense workout rather than therapeutic use. With the powerful magnetic resistance mechanism controlled by a tension knob, you have the option of either a moderate or intense workout. Don't be scared to work yourself into a frenzy. This beefy guy can take up to 220 pounds of force, burn more fat, accelerate weight loss, and feel the burn in your quads with the more intense workouts you can do on the Sunny. Place it on the table and charge up your arms. You'll find the pedals also come with contoured finger indentations, making upper body cycling as comfortable as possible. The Sunny also come with a handle, so trot it over to another family member after you exhaust your legs. Take turns reaping the benefits of aerobic exercise even while you're on the phone or playing video games. The Sunny is great if you are looking for a machine with which you could do more intense workouts, though you could obviously work lighter as you would with other pedal exercisers. Number 4. QBJR One-Seated Under-Desk Elliptical Machine. QB's Under-Desk Elliptical lets you keep your legs moving on a mini track while you remain seated. It's impact-free with a gliding circular motion, so you can multitask without thinking about the movement. There are 8 levels of adjustable resistance that work for pedaling both forward and backward. It has an LCD monitor and a carrying handle that also doubles as an anchor, where you can attach resistance bands if you want to work out your upper body too. The resistance bands are not included, but these are very inexpensive and be purchased online. This machine tones your glutes, hamstrings, calves, and quads. The QB won't build muscle mass, but it will strengthen your legs, get your heart pumping, loosen your joints, and increase your blood circulation. Number 5. Exopedic Motorized Leg and Arm Pedal. The Exopedic Active Cycle is the only electric motorized pedal exerciser in this roundup. It is primarily used for rehabilitation and physical therapy. Its goal is to take care of your special needs as much as possible through low-impact mobility training. The Exopedic is ideal for larger folks as it can withstand a heavy load of pressure. It is the only pedaler here is rated for a person up to 300 pounds in weight. There is no assembly or setup needed. Just plug the machine into the wall and start using it. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.